Hi, tenor saxophones. Welcome back. On today's video, we're going to do Accent Book 2, page number 11. And today's page is another accent on performance page. So today's piece is called The Holiday Fantasy, arranged by our book's composers. Now, like we did with our last accent on performance, we're going to break this piece into sections rather than playing from the beginning through to the end. The first section is the introduction, and that's the first 12 measures of the song. This piece is in 4/4 time and has no sharps or flats at the beginning yet. It will later on in the piece. So let's try it out. It's marked allegro in tempo. However, I'm going to take my speed to 90. Not quite allegro, but slow enough that we can master some of the principles, or maybe we're just playing this piece for the first time and we just need a little slower tempo to help us make progress. Beginning. 1, 2, ready, go. Now, aside from the last measure, measure 12, you might notice that measure 1 through 6 and 7 through 12 were exactly the same. So that'll make that part easier to master. Now we'll start at measure 13 and we'll go up to measure 21. This section looks tricky, but the rhythm is very simple. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's give it a try from 13 to 21. 1, 2, 13, go. You may have recognized the melody at measure 17, a Hanukkah melody. And yes, that piece is part of this holiday fantasy. Now we're at measure 21, and there's a repeat sign, and the first and second ending. So we'll do that. We'll do our first time at 21, and then we'll take this first ending, come back to 21, and take the second ending. Be careful, because here is where a key change has happened. The note that we need to pay attention for is F. It will be an F sharp in this section. So play all Fs, F sharp. 1, 2, 21. Did you remember to play the second ending? Did you remember to take the repeat? If not, go back and rewind this section and practice that one more time from 21 to 29. Now we'll start at measure 27 that has another first and second ending. We still have our F sharp as well. So we'll play 27 to the first ending, 27 to the second ending, and stop at 32. 1, 2, ready, go. That brings us up to measure 32. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll play from 32 to 40. 1, 2, 32. Here we go. Our next to last section is 40. And this piece it's from 40 to 46, so 6 measures, and see if you might recognize the melody. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 40, go. Did you recognize it? Okay. Our last section is 46 to the end, and the last 4 measures have a lot of eighth note and eighth rests. They're just shortened type, they're almost like shortened quarter notes. They happen on the beat. 1, 2, ready, 46. Now it's your turn. Go back and play larger sections of this. Maybe start from the beginning and go to 27. Then stop and maybe start from 27 and go to the end. Next, try playing the whole piece through with your metronome. I had mine set at 90, but you might try it at Allegro once you've mastered the notes and rhythms. So give it a try, and I wish you the best. Until I see you next time, keep practicing.